black is just like a dark, ugly color, but I might be surprised at what comes out of it. A purple Sharpie. Purple, I thought, is also like black because it's pretty dark. Kind of ugly for me. Some green leaves. I did the leaves to see if there's any colors in nature. And then I have this dye, red dye, because I thought red could be cool. So I am cutting strips of filter paper. These are my chromatography strips of paper. I am pouring 10 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol into a tube, which I'm later on going to put into a jar. Can the water not evaporate with the cap on? I'm adding a line on the ruler to mark 2 because I think that will make spot. Putting a lot of purple ink on the filter paper. I'm putting the piece of filter paper in the bottle. Then I close the cap tightly. I am putting black ink onto a piece of filter paper, 2 centimeters from the end. Then I am putting the piece of paper in the second bottle and capping it. So I'm putting in the leaves and I'm gonna mash them up with a mortar and this is a mortar. I'm doing it with the pestle. And so I'm gonna mash up the leaves and then put like the powder on the 2.
Good.
It's tough.
Into the alcohol, but it won't really come out until you mash it good.
I'm putting leaf juice onto the paper. Then I'm putting it into the 3rd bottle and then putting the cap on.
Success.
Last one.
Is that working? Good. All right, you can stick it in the lap. Ooh, it's already started on the purple one.
Oh yeah. The black is starting to go.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at a close-up on the black.
So right out there, caught a glimpse of her grace, slightly misplaced.
I did a black ink on this one and didn't get carried up because I don't think it did well in isopropyl alcohol, so it just stayed right there. I think there still is colors in it, but it just doesn't do well in alcohol. So this one, it was, it was green leaves that we didn't have enough of the water in green leaves, so it doesn't really show up. But it did get carried to the top. It's kind of hard to see, but I can. So this one is a red ink. It's a red dye. It's, I think, clothing dye, and it did do well. It got carried up, but the only pigment in it is sadly red.
What do you got there?
So it's a purple. I did a purple soybean, and this one did really well. As you can see, there's the purple got carried to the top, but the blue got left behind.
Caught a glimpse of her grace.